Hello, good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to Genoa in Italy, or Genova in Italian. I'm actually going from Rennes to Genoa by bus. Bus 1 is going from Rennes to Paris, and bus 2 from Paris to Genoa. I'm taking bus 1 on Friday at 1 p.m. in Rennes, and it arrives at 6:15 p.m. in Paris. Bus 2 leaves Paris on that same day at 6:45 p.m., drives the entire night and arrives in Genoa on Saturday 12 at 10:20 in the morning. So for now, I'm in bus 1 going to Paris. And now I'm in bus 2, we are leaving Paris. It's now Saturday morning and we are entering Italy. I know it might sound like a lot of time in a bus, but I really want to avoid taking the plane whenever it's possible. I don't want to tell anybody what to do. We all have different lives with different possibilities, but I like to do as much as I can in order to avoid polluting whenever I have the ability to do so. And especially as I'm making videos and taking photos and sharing all that, I feel like this is not a lifestyle that I want to promote. I think that we all find it like super annoying when we hear people talking about the environment, meanwhile they are spending all their holidays on the other side of the world and taking the plane or doing other super polluting activities. I mean, if they really want to, that's great, but could we at least please stop talking about the environment? It's just a matter of being coherent, I think. I am not saying that I am the greatest fighter for the environment. I have taken the plane in the past. I will probably take the plane again in the future. But now, whenever it's possible, I want to try to avoid it. So it's a long trip, but Italy is still close to France, so I thought I could try to take the bus. I think the train was either too expensive or there was just too much time to wait between trains, so that would have been very long too. That's the bus I was in. So I am now in Genoa, in Italy. And yeah, I haven't slept. I left Rennes yesterday at 1 p.m. The last proper meal I had was yesterday at 11 a.m. I've managed to eat some biscuits at 4 a.m. and this morning. But yeah, I am tired and hungry. And now I'm going to try to walk to the accommodation. There's this one and this one. They are not in sync. Cino. Estremi, senape, cetriolini. Right, so let's do a little tour. This is the front door on like the third floor. So here we have the main corridor and bathroom right there. In the bathroom there is even a bidet. Very cool, very neat. That is me. There we have little mirror there. We have the door to the bedroom, but it's basically leading to the living room / kitchen there, bedroom there. Very cool. I was kind of happy because I prefer to get something like a hotel rather than something like Airbnb or stuff like this, because it's kind of bad for like the renting market and all that. But during the night, when I was in the bus at 4 a.m., I checked my emails, and it's a good thing I did it, because yesterday at like 9 or 10 p.m., I received an email sent by the hotel through booking.com telling me that they had cancelled my room for the whole week. Yeah, apparently the reason for that is that the previous client refused to leave the room. So like they were like, we're cancelling. And I've seen the email from PayPal telling me that they have received the refund, so that's great. But I was still like, where are we going to sleep? And I am not alone. It's mother-daughter time, so I'm spending the week there with my mom because we don't live in the same part of France. So I went from Rennes to Paris and then from Paris to Genoa. And my mom, she's going from Provence, so she left at 11 a.m. and she will arrive soon. So I'm just going to leave my bags there and go and see her at the bus station. Alright, let's go, let's get ready. This is so weird, look, this is door. So you see inside the building there. But there is this sort of, right, the door there. It's weird. Right, now I'm on my way to connect my mom. I have my camera. I'm going to be using my Nikon D7500 for this trip, and I'm really excited about this. That's La Porta, I forgot the name. This way. It should be raining for the entire week, so it's highly possible that it's going to be the only day where I'm seeing it with blue sky. This is the Cattedrale di San Lorenzo. Here again. And here again we have the harbor there with the boat. Right, so I am back at the station there with those beautiful buildings, and there is a Flixbus there, but I don't think that's hers because she was supposed to be late. Voilà. So then we just walked to the accommodation with my mom's suitcase. And we are out again to find some dinner. Le love. Giardini, infatti. Don Chisciotte. Di come il espagnol, Don Chisciotte. And finally, we are going back to the accommodation for a warm dinner and for some well-deserved sleep. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video for day 2 of this adventure.